Let's begin with the breaking update from Tamil Nadu. It looks like the stage is all set for a blockbuster bypoll in the state because political speculation is gathering pace in Tamil Nadu over a possible high-profile assembly bypoll with Chief Minister Joseph Vijay vacating the Trichy East Assembly seat. There is a lot of buzz that Stalin could be contesting from this very constituency, and this was after a DMK leader mentioned Vijay's statement in the assembly and also then went on to say that Stalin will be in the assembly soon.
நேற்று வரைக்கும் கம்முன்னு தான் கட்சிக்காரன் தான் நேற்று இப்படி பேசினாமா அதுலேருந்து கிளம்பி உட்காண்டான் எல்லா ஆளுகளும் தமிழ்நாடு போதும் கட்சிக்காரன்.
My colleague Dharani is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Dharani, is it a possibility that Stalin could be contesting soon from Trichy East? What are the details?
Well, it looks like this idea is being explored by the High Command of the DMK at this point in time, because remember, during the assembly session this time, Chief Minister Vijay sarcastically mocked former Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, telling that M.K. Stalin is not found to be inside the assembly. So responding to this, former DMK Minister K.N. Nehru during a public event has told that Stalin will very soon enter the assembly. He will very soon have a swearing in inside the assembly is what he is told. So, from this speech of K.N. Nehru, many are right now speculating that Stalin might be contesting from the Trichy East Assembly constituency, which was left vacant by Chief Minister Vijay after he won from both the constituencies he contested in. So, in fact, K.N. Nehru himself, he is from Trichy. So, this makes the speculation all the more, important at this point in time. But still now, the DMK's High Command has not officially announced any decision yet. But in the upcoming high-profile meetings of the DMK, this idea of Stalin contesting from Trichy East bypoll will definitely it will be discussed. Then if Stalin is also interested, then he will definitely contest from the Trichy East seat is what sources in DMK tell us.
Okay, all right. Dharani, thank you for joining us with all those details. It will definitely be a blockbuster show if Stalin does decide to contest the bypoll from Trichy East. It was once known to be a stronghold of the DMK until Vijay breached it. He has, of course, now given up that constituency. Interesting battle, probably could happen. It's for the DMK to decide. Thank you for joining us with all those details.